Guys, welcome to EKV, and this is Vishnu. So in this illustration, TQ Limited is implementing a quality improvement program and had the following results. So the results are given in thousands. So the TQ Limited is implementing quality improvement program. So some of the details of TQM are given, which contains a table which contains particular and 2 years details of 2 years are given, 2011 and 2012. Sales of rupees 6,000 each, scrap 600 and 300, rework charges 500 400, production in inspection it's 200 and 240, product warranty 300 and 150, quality training charges 75 and 150, material inspection charges 80 and 60. So the required details are: classify the cost as preventive, appraisal, internal failure and external failure cost, and express as a percentage of sales. Then second requirement is compute the amount of increase in profit due to quality improvement. So as we check the solution, I have made a table and as a heading, classification of cost. So we have classifying all the costs which is given in the question. First we will write sales, and sales is 100 percentage. So sales is 100 percentage. Then we need to compute the percentage. Each cost has a percentage of sales. So for that I have made a special column or an additional column. So we have 4 plus 1 5 columns, particulars and the year, 2 years, 2011 2000 year, 12 years, and percentage of both years. First we will take preventive cost. So the over here the preventive cost is quality training cost, which is 75 and 150, and then appraisal cost, production inspection as 200 240, then material inspection 80 60. After that we have internal failure cost. So the cost which is classified as internal failure cost are scrap and rework, 600 and 500, 300 and 400 for the year 2012. Then we have external failure cost, which is product warranty cost, which will be 300 and 150 with the product warranty cost. And then we have the total cost. Total cost as 1755 for 2011 and 1300 for 2012. So we got the total cost. Next we need to compute the percentage of sales with each cost, which means we need to divide each cost by 6000. That is 75 divided by 6000 will give 1%, and then 200 divided by 6000 will give 3%, 80 divided by 6000 will give 1%, 280 divided by 6000 will give 5%. Likewise we need to compute each and every percentage of sales, and when we check the total we will get the total percentage of 29% for 2011 and 22% for 2012. And when we go to the second part of the question, as an answer we need to take the difference between the cost for 2 years, 2012 and 2011. Therefore the cost of quality has been reduced by 7.5%, which is 29.25 minus 21.67% of sales. Okay, so which means the increase of profit by 4,55,000, which means 70,55,000 minus 13 lakh. So I will show you how is this calculation is. For that I have created a table which contains year, sales, percentage and cost. So first 2011 and 2012 sales as 60 lakh each, and we know that the quality cost of the year 2011 is 29%, and the quality cost of the year 2012 is 29.6, which is taken from the above table, and when we multiplied it with sales, we will get 17,55,000 as the total cost for 2011, and 13 lakhs as when we take 60 lakhs multiplied by 21.67 percentage, we will get 13 lakhs as the quality cost of 2012, and when we take the difference of these two costs, we will get an amount of 4,55,000. So when we compare to 2000 compared to the year 2012, we will get a reduction in cost of 4,55,000, which will increase the profit of the company for the year 2012. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you got clear and complete clarification regarding this illustration. Thank you. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.